I'm Nathan, and this is the AWE EU Spotlight. Today I'm talking with Oliver Hler from Pico. He is the enterprise lead for the EMEA region, and we're so excited to talk to you today. Thank you.
Thanks, and good to see you.
First, can you tell us a little bit about what you do at Pico and what you'll be doing at AWE this year?
So, thanks for asking. And I'm leading the enterprise business for Pico in the EMEA region. And for the AWE, the timing and location are really perfect for us. After our announcement of the Pico 4 for consumers, we think it's a good platform to speak about enterprise and what we can do for our partners. So we are keen to meet our partners, customers, and friends there at your great show.
Congratulations on that Pico 4 announcement. I don't know if you can spill any news. Is that something that folks might be able to get hands-on with at AWE, or what might they expect from the Pico experience this year?
It's very important for us to speak with our partners and to learn from each other. What are the needs from our customers together? And it's super important for us to speak with the community to learn from each other. And we want to speak about where we make the difference in the enterprise world.
Thank you for that. Understanding that very careful calculus that many enterprises, their needs, their integrations, the scale that goes into working with those size deployments is really a tough one to crack. So excited that you'll be provoking those conversations. You mentioned that AWE this year was sort of the perfect time and location for you. Can you tell us what makes AWE special and what you're excited to share with the community there?
We want to share, of course, latest news from what we are doing and where we are. On the other hand, your community is really great. They are really deep and very professional in this VR world. We want to learn what is important for the VR world to bring and to move forward with the VR world, especially in the enterprise world. More and more we see a differentiation between consumer and enterprise, and it's really important to have a clear separation of these two businesses. We think your audience is the perfect audience for us to speak with them about how to do this in the future in a really good way.
Connecting with the users and really getting that firsthand information to build these things together is one of my favorite things about this community. Do you have questions or learnings that you're hoping to share back with the community?
So we have announced the Pico 4. This is, of course, a huge step for the company and a huge step for Pico. This was, for us, the most important thing since we are existing. It's really important to explain why enterprise is important and what is the difference in the enterprise business. And there's a real difference. And we have to share and show this outside because there are different needs, different licensing ideas, different account ideas, different ways of working. And you can't do this with a consumer headset and bring this into a company. This is not working at the moment. And for good reason, this is not working. Our job is, of course, to speak with your audience there, to show what our ideas, what our answers are, and also to learn what is the idea for the future. The reason why we are successful in the past is that we have a really good and deep contact to our developers and partners. And we have tried to make our products in this direction with their feedback. And this is the reason why I want to invite everyone, come to us, speak with us, learn from us, but also we have to learn from them what are the real needs outside.
Well, Oliver, do you have a call to action or anything you're hoping to offer the audience this year at AWE?
Call to action is really clear. Come to us, visit us at our booth, and let's speak. Try the headsets, try our new functions that we have in our backpacks, try them out, and then let's go from this point, the journey together, and let's move forward from this point, how we can reach in the best way and how we can scale in the best way our enterprise business together.
I love it. There are a couple of things you alluded to in that last answer about the difference between enterprise and games and some of the challenges that might be there that I'm going to just leave there and hope to connect with you and hear more from Pico at the expo. But it sounds like it could be some very exciting conversations.
I hope so. Thank you very much.
Love it. Well, Oliver Hler, who leads enterprise business for Pico XR in EMEA, thank you so much for joining us today.
It was a pleasure.
Can't wait to see you in Lisbon.
Thanks for your time. It was a pleasure.